How to buy Ethereum on Etoro app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to buy Ethereum on Etoro app in easy fast way. So first thing we do, we go to Etoro app like this. Now we are in the home page as you can see. Now you need to go to the watch list here down below. Click on watch list and you will find cryptos here. If you want Ethereum, just click on it like this and then click on trade option, the blue option here, and after that click the amount. You need to choose the amount of money that you want to invest, for example $5,000 or less, and then click open trade here, and after that choose the payment method as you want, credit card or bank transfer or even PayPal, and then click deposit and everything will be done. Don't forget to like and subscribe.